The most efficient method for removing collections and charge-offs. There's a quick approach to clear collections and charge-offs from your credit report and achieve a high personal credit score. I'll show you how to accomplish it step by step. Let's get started. I'll explain why you should never pay collections or charge-offs, as well as what you should do instead. We'll reveal our hidden strategies to help you improve your credit score from the mid-500s to over 800 today. We're also going to provide you the key secret to improving your credit score for free. There are numerous advantages to having a high credit score. Charge-offs, bankruptcies, and foreclosures can wreak havoc on your credit score because they can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years instead of the usual 7. As a result, it can seriously harm your credit score, and it's quite difficult to maintain a good credit score with those items on your credit report. It's incredible what you can accomplish and how much money you can make when you have good credit. Having strong credit not only allows you to borrow more money in your own name, but it also allows you to borrow more money in your business name. It will speed up the process of establishing business credit and propel your company to new heights. So, first and foremost, let me explain credit reports, as this is really crucial for you to comprehend. We have 3 credit bureaus and personal credit reports: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. All 3 credit bureaus will assign you a credit based on how well you pay your bills and the types of credit lines you have. Many types of creditors that are reporting, as well as the amount of debt you have in relation to the income they are estimating for you. Nobody knows exactly how to influence your credit score, but I'm going to give you some pointers on how to improve your credit score from a poor one to a high one right now. As you may be aware, collections and charge-offs may wreak havoc on your credit reports. So if you haven't filed for bankruptcy and only have collections and charge-offs on your credit report, we can help you. Let me explain the difference between collections and charge-offs in a few words. Accounts that have gone past due are referred as to collections. You've paid it 30 days late, 60 days late, and 90 days late, respectively. And in many circumstances, they are still referring to you as theirs. Let's assume you owe Chase the credit card and you decide to stop paying them. They'll start reporting you late on your credit report at first. Hey, this guy hasn't made a payment in the last 30 days, they'll say. And they'll make a note of it on your credit report. And if you pay something late for more than 30 days, your credit score will suffer immediately. Consider what would happen if you paid it 60 or 90 days late. As you pay people late, your credit score will continue to decline. And when you cease making payments to creditors, your credit score will plummet. Collections can wreak havoc on your credit score. Charge-offs, on the other hand, can be far worse. Charge-offs occur when they have exhausted their attempts to contact you and have determined that you will not pay them. Then they charge the debt off. So in many circumstances, it could take 6 months or a year before they charge that debt off. And then it's sent to a collection agency. As a result, it goes from being in collections with the previous firm to being charged off. That is, the debt is rolled over to a collection agency who will collect on their behalf. There are collection organizations that pay for debts that have already been written off by other companies. So if you stop paying Chase, for example, and they write off the debt, they will lose the money. They asserted, okay, this person isn't going to pay. They've completed their task. Third-party collection agencies, on the other hand, will buy Chase's debt for pennies on the dollar. So here's a brief illustration. So let's say you owe Chase $1,000 and they wrote that off. This third-party collection agency might offer Chase $100 to buy your debt. That collection agency will now begin phoning you and demanding $1,000. And anything they earn in excess of $100 is theirs to keep. That is how the game is played. So I just told you something incredible there, and I hope you got it. It's possible you'll have to listen to it twice. Many people are unaware of the entire process, which includes going from creditor collections to a charge-off to a collection agency. And the debt was just purchased by that collection agency. You are not required to pay them. It's already been charged off. And it's for this reason that you'll never pay them. Instead, I'll tell you what you should do. So, if you understood that and you understand how the credit game works and you like this knowledge, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of the fantastic content we're delivering to you every single day for free. And don't forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from it, since together we can make a difference. Okay, so if you really want to get rid of those collection and charge-offs while also improving your credit score, do what I did. Rather than attempting credit repair, you should enroll with a credit restoration firm. In many circumstances, they will assist you in having all of your bad debts removed from your credit report. Credit Physicians was the company which I worked with. I've included a link for you below. I'm not being paid to advertise anything, but I trust this company. And once again, it's not credit repair, it's credit restoration. This is quite crucial. If you desire a high credit score, you must remove all negative items from your credit report. It's not enough to simply start taking on new debts and paying them off. You need to get rid of the bad stuff. And Credit Physicians may be able to assist you. Visit the link below and learn more about them. As a bonus, I'll explain to you how to deal with collection agents who call you. As I previously stated, I have poor credit history. I understand what you're going through. Creditors are calling, the phone is ringing, and various collection agencies are on the line. Those obnoxious 800 numbers. But if you have collections or charge-offs, here's what you should do. Don't pick up the phone. Do not acknowledge the debt. Instead, begin the process of removing the items of your credit report. Don't try to negotiate a deal with them. Don't even think about it. Hire an expert to assist you and delegate the task to them. So many of us want to handle everything ourselves and not waste any money in the process of repairing our credit. But as I mentioned in the start of this video, if you can have a good credit score, you can get thousands of dollars, if not 10,000s, if not millions of dollars. You can start an Airbnb business, a real estate business, a photography and videography business, or whatever else you choose. If you have good personal credit, things will be a lot easier for you. So instead of thinking you can do everything alone, spend a little money and hire someone to help you. However, do not acknowledge the debt, do not return their calls, and do not negotiate a payment arrangement with them during the process. Allow a professional to handle the payment arrangement so that they can work out a deal to get it removed from your credit report. If you have a professional on your side and want to work out a payment plan or pay off your credit obligations, that's fantastic. I understand. You should most likely do so. I'm not suggesting you do so, but it's acceptable. That's fantastic if you want to pay off your debts, but don't do it unless you have something in mind for yourself. That is not something you want on your credit report. It's over since you didn't pay them. You don't want to carry that around with you for the next 7 or 10 years like a scarlet letter. What does it matter? If you want to pay someone to help you, hire a professional, and even if you don't want to pay them, that professional can still assist you. Nonetheless, let's get this off your credit report so you can move on. And that's it for this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.